An old lady went out shopping last Tuesday. She came to a bank and saw a car near the door. A man got out of it and went into the bank. She looked into the car. The keys were in the lock. The old lady took the keys and followed the man into the bank. The man took a gun out of his pocket and said to the clerk, "Give me all the money." But the old lady didn't see this. She went to the man, put the keys in his hand and said, "Young man, you are stupid. Never leave your keys in your car. Someone is going to steal it." The man looked at the old woman for a few seconds. Then he looked at the clerk, and then he took his keys, ran out of the bank, got into his car and drove away quickly without any money. Okay, everyone. Thank you very much. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the second lecture of An Old Lady. I'm going to ask you so many questions about the story, and I wait until you answer the questions. If you don't know how to answer, no problem. You can listen again. سڵاو بەڕێزان بەخێر بێن بۆ وانەی دووەمی خاتونە پیرەکە. لەم وانەیە من پرسیارتان لێکم دەربارەی ئەم ستۆریە ئەم چیرۆکە بەڕێستان جوابم بنەوە. ئەگە جاری یەکەم نەتوانی جواب بیتەوە زۆر ئاساییە، ئەتوانی جارێکتەی گوێی لێ بگری و وەڵاممان بدەیتەوە، بەڵام تکایە وەڵام بدەرەوە، ئەمە ئەبێتە هۆی ئەوەی کە توانای قسەکردنت زۆر بەرەو پێشەوە بڕوە. Let's get started. با دەست پێ بکەین. An old lady went out shopping last Tuesday. Who went out shopping last Tuesday? Who? An old lady. An old lady went out shopping last Tuesday. Question number 2. When did she went out shopping? When? What time? When? When did she went out shopping? Tuesday. Last Tuesday. An old lady went out shopping last Tuesday. Number 3. Where did she go? Where did she go? Yes, she went out shopping last Tuesday. Did she go out shopping last Monday or last Tuesday? Yes, last Tuesday. She went out shopping last Tuesday. Okay. She came to a bank and saw a car near the door. Number 1. Who came to a bank? Who came to a bank? An old lady. An old lady came to a bank. Number 2. What did she see? What did she see? Yes, she saw a car near the door. She saw a car near the door. Number 3. Where was the car? Where was the car? The car was near the door. The car was near the door. Number 4. Did she see a train or a car near the door? A train or a car? Yes, a car. She saw a car near the door. Okay, let's go. A man got out of it and went into the bank. Question number 1. Who got out of the car? Who got out of the car? A man. A man got out of the car. A man got out of the car. Number 2. Where did he go? Yes, bank. He went into the bank. Number 3. Who went to the bank? A man. A man went into the bank. Number 4. Did he get out of the car or a bus? Yes. A man got out of the car, not a bus. Okay, let's go. She looked into the car. The keys were in the lock. Question number 1. Who looked into the car? Who looked into the car? The old lady. The old lady looked into the car. Number 2. Where did she look at? She looked into the car. Number 3. What did the old lady see in the car? What did she see in the car? She saw the keys. She saw the keys in the car. What was in the lock? What was in the lock? The keys were in the lock. The keys were in the lock. Let's go. The old lady took the keys and followed the man into the bank. Question number 1. Who took the keys? Who took the keys? The old lady took the keys. Question 2. Who followed the man into the bank? Yes, the old lady followed the man into the bank. Number 3. Where did she follow the man? She followed the man into the bank. Into the bank. Number 4. What did the old lady do? The old lady took the keys and followed the man into the bank. Okay. The man took a gun out of his pocket and said to the clerk, "Give me all the money." Question number 1. What did the man take out of his pocket? A gun. The man took a gun out of his pocket. Number 2. Did he take a pen out of his pocket? No, he didn't take a pen out of his pocket. He took a gun out of his pocket. Number 3. What did he say to the clerk? He said, "Give me all the money." Number 4. Who said to the clerk, "Give me all the money"? The man. The man said to the clerk, "Give me all the money." But the old lady didn't see this. Question number 1. Did the old lady see this? No, she didn't see this. Number 2. What didn't she see? What didn't she see? She didn't see this. She didn't see the man. Number 3. Who didn't see the man? The old lady. The old lady didn't see the man. Okay, let's go. She went to the man, put the keys in his hand and said, "Young man, you are stupid. Never leave your keys in your car. Someone is going to steal it." Question number 1. Who went to the man? The old lady. The old lady went to the man. Number 2. What did she put in his hand? What did she put in his hand? She put the keys in his hand. She put the keys in his hand. Number 3. What did she say? She said, "Young man, you are stupid. Never leave your keys in your car. Someone is going to steal it." Number 4. Did she steal the man's car? No, she didn't steal the man's car. She took the keys to the man. Okay, the man looked at the old woman for a few seconds. Question number 1. Who looked at the old lady for a few seconds? The man looked at the old woman or old lady for a few seconds. The man. Question 2. Did the man surprise and shock? Yes, the man surprised and shocked. Number 3. Who did the man look at? Who did the man look at? The man looked at the old woman. The man looked at the old woman. Number 4. How many seconds did he look at the old woman? How many seconds did he look at the old woman? The man looked at the old woman for a few seconds. For a few seconds. How many seconds? A few seconds. Okay, everyone, let's go. Then he looked at the clerk and then took his keys, ran out of the bank, got into his car and drove away quickly without any money. Question number 1. Did he take his keys? Yes, he took his keys. Number 2. Did he run out of the bank? Yes, he ran out of the bank. The man ran out of the bank. Number 3. Did he get on his bicycle or get into his car? Yes, he got into his car. He got into his car. Number 4. Did he drive away slowly or quickly? Did he drive away slowly or quickly? Yes, very quickly. The man drove away quickly. Number 5, and the last question. Could he steal money? Could he steal money? No, he couldn't steal any money. He drove away without any money. Okay, everyone, thank you very much. That's it for the mini story and the questions of steps to understanding stories. You have been asked 40 questions. Please, you can listen to it again and again and again. Thank you very much. Have a great time. Bye-bye.